Hi guys and welcome to Also Deedar. So I'm born in a Muslim family and growing up living in India, I actually didn't like being a Muslim, to be honest, because all my friends were not Muslim and I felt like I was the odd one out, and I always felt major FOMO because Diwali is being celebrated like a national festival here, and I was being a part of it, but I also wasn't being a part of it. You know what I mean? I tried so hard to fit in during Diwali, Holi. My friends used to celebrate and I used to celebrate with them, and my family is a very secular family. We celebrate every festival. My parents don't mind me celebrating anything or whatever, or going to any holy places. My father used to take me to mandir and everywhere, so we had no issues in that, but I felt very out of place here. I always felt like I didn't belong, and because of that I didn't like my religion as much. But then one phase of my life came where I was all alone, that I talked about in my previous videos. I came to Delhi alone myself, and I was living here. After my college I was all alone. I had no friends and I had no choice but to turn towards God. And I think it was a way of God pulling me towards Him. Because when you have no one, who would you talk to, right? You talk to yourself. And when you're talking to yourself, you're actually talking to God. If you're talking to a wall, you're actually talking to God. If you're talking in air, you're actually talking to God, because God is everywhere, right? अगर तुम मुझे ये बातें 2-3 साल पहले बताते तो मैं बोलती यार क्या पागल आदमी है, गॉड से कैसे बात कर सकते हो. बट देन वो 1 साल में आई रियलाइज्ड शिट, अच्छा तो मेरे साथ ये हो रहा था. 2-3 महीना तो मैं बहुत अकेली थी, बिकॉज आई वॉज गोइंग इन टू डिप्रेशन. आई हैड anxiety and everything. I didn't know what to do with my life, and I had no one to talk to, not even a companion or friends whatsoever. And I wasn't that person कि मैं किसी को बता के रोऊँ या अपनी complaints करूँ. I used to talk to myself. I started content creating. I started talking to the camera. Suddenly one day it hit me that what if I start talking to God? मेरे इंस्टा एल्गोरिदम में भी ऐसे ही रील्स आने लगी, यूट्यूब पे भी ऐसे ही वीडियोस आने लगी. उस पूरे ड्यूरेशन में आई रियलाइज्ड आई वाज गेटिंग क्लोजर एंड क्लोजर टू गॉड. आई डोंट एक्टिवली प्रैक्टिस, बट डीप इनसाइड आई केप्ट कॉलिंग हिज नेम. Whenever there was a situation I was put in, जब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा scared हो जाती थी, so I started calling his name or reciting whatever my mother has taught me. वो situation deal हो जाती थी, या फिर वो deal भी नहीं होती थी तो at least मुझे peace होता था कि there is someone with me, right? Then slowly I started reading more about my religion, and then I realized कितना peace है एक religion में. पता नहीं मैं avoid क्यों करती थी इस चीज़ को. So when you have no one, you have God. You are never alone. तुम्हारे अंदर ये soul डाली गई है, वो गॉड ने डाली है. यूनिवर्स वर्क्स इन वेरी मिस्टीरियस वेज, एंड वंस यू स्टार्ट अलाइनिंग विद यूनिवर्स, चीज़ें अलाइनमेंट में होने लगती है, एंड यू विल सी इट एंड यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड ये सब हो कैसे रहा है. देन यू विल बी लाइक कोई भी परेशानी आ जाए, आई गिव नो डैम शिट अबाउट दैट, बिकॉज मैं प्रोटेक्टेड हूँ. यू विल हैव दिस कॉलिंग इनसाइड यू दैट you are protected and you are being protected. Yes, I'm not kidding. मैंने अपनी लाइफ में बहुत एडवेंचर्स करे हैं. मैं उस लेवल के जगहों पे अटकी हूँ और फंसी हूँ जहाँ पे मेरी मौत पक्की थी. मैं अभी भी जिंदा हूँ बिकॉज someone was protecting me. और who someone? वो इंसान तो था नहीं, तो मैं कैसे प्रोटेक्टेड हूँ अभी तक. I remember one incident. I was a kid and मैं साइकिल चला रही थी and my mom was supporting me from behind. उन्होंने बोला हाँ मैं पकड़ रही हूँ, और फिर उन्होंने छोड़ दिया. And then I saw कि उन्होंने मुझे छोड़ दिया है और मैं डर गई, और मैंने अपनी साइकिल ऐसे कैसे गिरा के मैं एक झाड़ी में घुस गई. उस झाड़ी में इतने कांटे थे, एंड गाइस मुझे एक भी कांटा नहीं लगा, मुझे एक भी खरोच नहीं आई. हो सकता मेरे पूरे फेस पे कांटे आ जाते, कांटे लग जाते और मेरी बुरी हो जाती उस टाइम पे. एंड वन टाइम आई हैड टाइफॉइड. आई वेंट टू द डॉक्टर्स एंड आई डिडंट रियलाइज इट वाज टाइफॉइड. एंड उन्होंने बोला कि ये तो लास्ट स्टेज टाइफॉइड हो गया है, इसमें तो आईसीयू में एडमिट कराना पड़ता है. वी वेंट थ्रू ऑल द टेस्ट्स एंड यू नो व्हाट हैपेंड. डॉक्टर सॉ द रिजल्ट्स एंड देन ही सेड इसके तो सारे ऑर्गन्स ठीक हैं, completely fine, nothing happened to me, and typhoid got pretty bad. It was on last stage. And I was thinking, how did I get saved? I was up all night thinking अब तो मैं गई, मेरा काम खत्म है यहाँ पर. But then I was saved. Nothing happened to my organs. कुछ मेरे साथ बुरा क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? And then I realized it is always God. It has always been God. So I started okay, rely करके देखते हैं क्या बुरा हो जाएगा. I had nothing to lose. So I started relying on God. Started talking to Him everyday basis पे. And then my life changed truly. Whatever I used to dream as a kid, I got it. I come from a very middle class family. Then again, मेरे पास किसी चीज़ की कमी नहीं थी. Whatever I wanted, I got it. Somehow I got it. My dad provided it somehow. And I also don't know how, because I feel like my whole family is protected. And because of my mom, dad, I get that. Because my mom, dad worships a lot. So their prayers truly work on me. And another thing, whoever has done wrong with me, उनकी life पूरी fuck up हो चुकी है. Like everyone. I don't wish ill upon anybody. I don't even say words like इसके साथ ये हो जाए वो हो जाए. Automatically हो जाता है. And then 1-2 साल बाद मुझे सब पता चलता है कि उसके साथ ये हुआ है. Like they are not doing good in their life. Constantly ये सब तुम्हारे साथ होता है अगर, so you have to believe that you have that protection over you and God is protecting you. And I was ignorant all my life. एंड वो 1 साल में when I was left completely alone, फिर तो बनता था मेरा कि मुझे तो जाना ही है उस साइड. I don't know how I started working like this because I was pretty ignorant, man. No one can come and tell me that God doesn't exist. I will not believe it because whatever I have seen in my life has really opened my eyes. I have my take on it and I will speak about it a lot. You know, it comes from within. You don't have to practice all that. And I was talking to my mom also about this, and she said the same thing. You have to keep this in your heart. You have to keep God in your heart and keep working, keep being a good human being. And every religion teaches you to be a good human being, nothing else. Have those things. You don't have to lie. You don't have to cheat. You don't have to betray anyone. You don't have to take what's yours, money, peace, whatever. If it's not yours, you don't have to take it. You don't have to make people cry intentionally. You have to recite some things to not to take it off your bad karma. That all things I started practicing. I started becoming a good human being, and that's what the whole purpose of religion is. There's peace in knowing God. उस 1 साल में if I had rejected the idea of God, तो मैं डिप्रेशन में ही रहती, मैं रोती ही रहती और मैं अपनी लाइफ में बेटर नहीं कर पाती. And if you guys know my journey, you have seen 2023 से 25 का स्टेज, लाइक माई लाइफ फुई ऐसे, एंड इट इज स्टिल गोइंग अप एंड अप एंड अप. लाइक फ्रॉम माई फेवरेट नॉवल, माई फेवरेट कोटेशन, आई एम ऑन अ रोलर कोस्टर दैट ओनली गोज अप माई फ्रेंड. Keep going, keep believing, keep having your faith in God and universe, whichever God you believe in. Just keep having your faith and keep being a good human being, and you will see how your life progresses. Bye.